Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're looking for your next travel adventure, let me tell you why Morocco should be at the top of your list. First up, let's talk about the rich history and diverse culture. Morocco is home to some of the most historic cities in the world. Take Marrakech, for instance, with its iconic Jemaa El Fna Square, bustling with traditional markets, snake charmers and street food stalls. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Then there's Fes, home to the world's oldest university, the University of Al Qarawiyyin. Walking through its ancient Medina feels like stepping back in time. And don't forget Rabat, the capital city that perfectly blends modernity with its rich heritage. But Morocco isn't just about its cities. The natural landscapes here are absolutely breathtaking. Imagine skiing down the majestic Atlas Mountains or embarking on an adventurous trek through its trails. For those seeking something more serene, the Merzouga Desert offers unforgettable camel rides and stunning sunsets over the sand dunes. Trust me, it's a view you'll never forget. And for all you beach lovers out there, Morocco's coastline has got you covered. Agadir and Essaouira boast some of the most beautiful beaches you can find. Whether you're into surfing, swimming, or just soaking up the sun, these spots are perfect for some seaside relaxation. Now let's talk about food. Moroccan cuisine is a journey in itself. Think savory tagines, fluffy couscous, and of course the refreshing traditional mint tea. Every meal is an explosion of flavors that you simply have to try. What truly sets Morocco apart, though, is the warm hospitality of its people. Everywhere you go, you'll be welcomed with open arms and friendly smiles. This deep cultural heritage and genuine warmth make Morocco not just a place to visit, but a place to experience deeply. So, if you're dreaming of a destination that offers history, culture, adventure, and unbeatable hospitality, Morocco is calling your name. Go ahead, pack your bags and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Safe travels.